Grace and peace, y'all. This is your boy Dixon. Listen, I'm just looking at this video and man, I'm like, wow. To see all those people get up there and jump up and down and just so, celebrate God. That's what they're doing. They're celebrating God for sparing their lives, and they're singing songs unto God, and they're worshiping and they're giving God praise. In Second Chronicles 7:14, it reads, "If my people who are called by my name shall humble themselves and pray, and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways, then will I hear from heaven and forgive their sins and heal the land." You know, this is the word of God just being laid out right in front of our eyes. Trust me, Haiti is going to be stronger and better than ever before. Um, um, I'm looking at just the people singing and they're lifting up their hands and praising God, where they could be, still in the hole someplace, and or where they could just still be under, just someplace just mourning, still mourning. Well, they are still mourning. They are still mourning, but they are people of strength. Haitians are people of strength, and how I know this because my parents are Haitian. I was born here in the United States, but I'm pulling strength from them. Isn't that incredible? I'm pulling strength from them. They are making me stronger. They are inspiring me so much to do so much here in the United States, not only for myself, but for my surrounding community, not only for my surrounding community, but for the world at large. That's what's really up. Haïti, rete femme. Kembe femme, bon Dieu a fait un bagay kounya. God is doing something right now. We don't know what it is. We don't know what's going to happen. We don't know how it's going to happen. But we know that God is going to show off in a powerful and in a mighty way. I'm encouraged. I'm encouraged. I'm encouraged. And I want you guys to be encouraged too. Great video. God bless you. Stay blessed and forever walking on water. Peace.